you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is episode 2 of my fall clean and decorate with me. So I do have some straightening up to do and some cleaning. So I wanted to get everything cleaned up and have a clean slate before I could go ahead and start decorating.
You make me anxious. Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anyone who may be new visiting my channel. But my name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, decorate with me videos, makeovers, any type of homemaking. I love doing those types of videos. And if you like watching those types of videos or like that type of motivation, make sure you push that subscribe button. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family.
You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend.
So whenever I'm decorating for fall, it feels so weird because it still feels like it's summer outside. But if I waited until it kind of got cold outside, I will be waiting until like December, because that's how the weather is here in Alabama. So we just have to decorate whenever it gets to September. But I just thought that was kind of funny because it was cool in the house because we had the air going. But when you stepped outside, it was like 80, 90 degrees.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside.
So with my decor, I really went on a budget style type thing just because I already had enough fall stuff. But the things that I am putting out right now, that is new. I got that from Hobby Lobby, and then the pumpkins that I got, they were also from Hobby Lobby. for this that I'm showing you, I got that from the Dollar Tree, and this is my DIY that I decided to do. I got these little stems from Hobby Lobby, and they were 50% off. Yeah, I think they were 50% off. So all I did was just that in there, and then like the little foam part, I stuck that in there. I got that from the Dollar Tree. And then these little acorn fillers I got from the Dollar Tree a while back, so I already had them. And then these pine cones are also from the Dollar Tree, and I got those a while back as well. Of course, you could have definitely gotten these stems or these flowers from the Dollar Tree, and you only would have paid like $3 for the whole entire DIY. But of course, I just wanted something from Hobby Lobby because I think Hobby Lobby flowers and florals, they look a little bit more realistic, and so that is like the look that I was definitely going for.
And it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around.
So this pumpkin patch sign, I did get that new this year. So the only things that I bought new for this year was this pumpkin patch sign, the little banner that you saw on over the fireplace, and then the 2 pumpkins that were sitting on the fireplace. The rest of these pumpkins and all the other decor were already things that I already had. So I want to put out this disclosure that the way that these flowers are looking here on camera, they look like they were struggling. But I promise you in person, they look so much better than that. But I just wanted to put that out there.
No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place.
So thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate everything that you have done by watching and commenting and liking. That really just means so much to me. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.